is your Ryobi string trimmer battery flashing red and green. I'm going to explain what this actually means. So when you plug your battery in, if the red and green light are both flashing, what you want is the red light to be steady and the green light to be flashing. This indicates the battery is charging. However, if you've got both the red and green flashing, this indicates a charging error. It's usually caused by a defected battery, a faulty charger, or an improper connection. So take out the battery, clean up the connections, so that's the metal bit on the actual battery, make sure they're all clean, make sure the charger itself inside's all clean. That's the first step I'd take if you're getting that error. Put it back in, see if that works. That normally does the trick. However, if it doesn't, take it out, try a different battery. If that's charging okay, it's obviously a problem with the actual battery, and the red and green is indicating that. This isn't a video to actually fix the battery, it's just to tell you what the actual red and green means. Normally the cleaning of the terminal works, however in most cases you have to actually open up the battery and mess about with the electronics inside. This isn't that type of video to help you with that. There is plenty on YouTube and a link to one in the description what shows you if that's what you want to do. So if this video does help you out and explains what it is, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.